This video guides you how to create the initial firmware for FreeRTOS with OTA demo. Launch eSquareStudio from the Start menu and specify the workspace location. The path should contain only ASCII characters. From eSquareStudio menu, select File, New, C++ Project, Renesas RX. Select Renesas CK-RX65N, C++ executable project, and click Next. Enter project name, and click Next. The project name is arbitrary. We specify the above as an example in this video. Select FreeRTOS with IoT libraries in FreeRTOS drop-down list. Click Manage RTOS versions. A long path will result in build error, so click Browse and specify a short path. Select and download FreeRTOS with IoT libraries, version 1.1.1 or later. Review the Amazon End-User License Agreement. Then select Accept. In Device Settings, select CK-RX65N v2 in Target Board drop-down list. If you cannot see CK-RX65N v2 in the Target Board drop-down list, please click Download additional boards. For bank mode, select Dual Bank. Then select E2 Lite RX for hardware debug configuration, because the onboard debugger of CK-RX65N v2 is E2 Lite. Click the Next button. Click the Next button. On the Select Application screen, create projects for both the Secure Bootloader Sample project and the Ethernet pub/sub/MQTT with OTA Update Sample project. Then click Finish. Download Fit module if RX driver package download dialog is displayed. If the editors available on the marketplace dialog box appears, click the Cancel button to dismiss it. We'll walk you through the procedure of creating the initial firmware project using bootloader CK-RX65N v2 and AWS OTA CK-RX65N v2 projects. This section describes the steps required for the bootloader CK-RX65N v2 project. Paste the contents of sec256 r1.public key generated by OpenSSL inside the double quotation in code signer public key.h. Right-click the bootloader CK-RX65N v2 project and AWS OTA CK-RX65N v2 project in the Project Explorer, and select Build Project. Then, use the Renesas image generator to generate the initial firmware. Please copy the tool folder from the FreeRTOS folder that you downloaded when you created the E2 Studio project to a location of your choice. Open the Copy tool folder. Copy the file AWS OTA CK-RX65N v2 MOT to the tool folder. Copy the file bootloader CK-RX65N v2 MOT to the tool folder. Copy the file sec256 r1.private key to the tool folder. Open a command prompt, navigate to the tool folder, and execute the command for initial firmware. Start Renesas Flash Programmer. Select File, then Open Project. To return the RX microcontroller to linear mode, specify erase.rpj. Press the Start button to perform a flash erase of the RX microcontroller. If Operation Completed is displayed, the flash erasure of the RX microcontroller is successful. An error enclosed in the red frame may occur when erasing the flash of the RX microcontroller. In this case, the RX microcontroller is already in linear mode, so proceed to the next step. Select File, then Open Project. Specify flashproject.rpj to write the initial firmware to the RX microcontroller. Click Add Remove Files. Click Add Files. Select the initial firmware created by Renesas Image Generator. Click OK. Press the Start button to erase the flash of the RX microcontroller and write the initial firmware. If Operation Completed is displayed, the initial firmware write was successful. The following video shows you how to create updated firmware and the steps to run the OTA demo.